Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit we've got on the ground. This is a great trailer. It's got a lot of features to it. It's a 2018 Cargo Craft 7x12 Elite V Sport. This one is in a charcoal gray with a blackout package. You guys can see it does have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and up the V-nose, so you guys have some good rock protection there. Triple tube tongue with this unit as well. Pulls amazing. They do a great job with how these trailers pull. Your side door does come with an RV lock and a cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door. Nice big gutter over your side door as well. This one is equipped with a power package, so you do have an exterior GFI outlet located right here. This one has a 3,500-pound axle. You've got aluminum wheels and a black rounded diamond plate fender for your blackout package. This one's also insulated with windows. Here's one of your windows. We'll take a peek at that again in a second. You also have stabilizer jacks underneath the back of this trailer. So that's what you guys can see is drop down right there. Those are important if you guys have single axles because it will keep your trailer from tipping when you're not hooked up to your vehicle. You can get in and out of the trailer without it tipping and just rotating on that single axle. Rear ramp door with a spring assist close. This one also is equipped with your nudo floor with Drymax underneath, so big bonus there. You've got the Drymax product underneath the trailer as well, which doesn't absorb any water. And then this nudo floor is literally one of the most durable floors we can put in a trailer. It's a great flooring to use. Now this one also has a 7-foot interior height, so this is a great UTV trailer right here. You've got 7x12 and the height to get in and out of here with your UTVs. This one's again also insulated, so you've got insulated walls and ceiling, a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. This one also has 4 D-rings ready to go in the floor. I'm going to come in a little bit closer here for you guys. E-track in each of the walls. And then here's your two 18x44 slider windows with screens adjacent from each other. We'll give you guys a great cross ventilation through here. And then we also have an AC unit with a heat strip, so you can have some climate control in the trailer as well. You've got 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights, 2 puck lights here on this side, so great lighting options as well. You guys can use these little 12-volt lights when you're hooked up to your truck, or you've got the big 4-foot LEDs when you have your power package hooked up. And then you guys can see you've got a couple of outlets here on this side as well, a couple more up in front. There's your power box up there. You guys can take that cord, you pop it right through the floor, run to your generator or your shore power. And then the back side of the RV lock does have a lock, a latch, and a set of keys with it. So really cool trailer again with having an insulated AC, power, and windows. Gives you guys a lot of features and options, especially because you've got the 7-foot interior height if you want to play around with UTVs as well. So here it is. Give us a call if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. As always, we'd love to earn your business. You can reach us by calling 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. If you don't live near us, that's okay. We do have shipping options available. You guys can call to inquire about that. And again, 303-688-8485.